two arrays too. Given two integer arrays, nums1 and nums2, return an array of their intersection. Each element in the result must appear as many times as it shows in both arrays, and you may return the result in any order. So example 1, we have our nums1 array and our nums2 array. We can see that we have these two here, and example 2, so because these two are the only ones here, so and here, so we have that here. So example 2, nums1 array and nums2 array. We can see that we have 9 and 4 in both of these, so we have those here. 9 and 4 is also extra, so the order is not matter like it shows. So this is an easy problem. Let's make the count frequency of each element in nums1 to nums1 map counter nums1. So we're going to count each counter in nums1 and assign it to its value. So for example here 1, it will go through the iteration, and there's 2 1s here, and here there's 2 2s. Result. Our output for num and nums iterate through nums2. From the if counter map of num is greater than 0. So if it's more than 0, if there's more than one, if there's one or more, then let's add counter map result that append num, and then subtract that we're done by counter map num subtract 1, make it equals to 1. Subtract 1 from the total, return result. So basically we count how much of each one of these is in here, and then map it to its value, which is however number we have of each one of these, and this was going to be our output. So we go, then we make an iteration. So if this for num, so this one, so far is greater than 0 over here, so we add it to result, and then subtract 1, and then we're going to go for nums and nums2. So this is here, and it's greater than 0, so we have one more left, and when you subtract, so now it's 0. But if you have more than that, it will no longer be. For example, if this is 7 here, but number is down if number is greater than or equals to 0. So since we don't have 7 here, it does not apply. Or if we have another 2 here, since it's already it's not greater than 0 here, then that will also not apply. So this is our return, and let's submit. Counter map, and it's been accepted. And let's submit to see if it's going to pass all cases, and it's been able to pass all cases. Time complexity is of n plus n. Space complexity, I believe, is the same too. Is of n. And that's it for this problem.